So, remember how we made a film about meeting my birth mom for the first time? Well, it got selected to be part of the 2025 Phoenixville Film Festival. 4 days of films, workshops, and after parties at the historic Colonial Theatre in Phoenixville. And the craziest part, not only did our film screen here, but something happened we'll never forget. Day one kicked off with opening films, followed by the filmmaker and screenwriter meet and greet party. It was the perfect chance to mingle, make connections, and share stories over drinks. Day two brought more films, plus a filmmaker panel. It was a great opportunity to learn, share, and gain insight from other creatives. Later that evening, we dressed up for the gala.
I got pierogies, egg rolls, Pinot Noir, and it's delicious.
Good food, good wine, and great company.
People just take pictures of them, and I'm just like, oh, now I'm taking a picture.
Oh no, you're next.
I'm gonna buy one.
And of course, we weren't ready to stop there. So we kept the night going down the street.
He's like, oh, crypto. So I was like, okay. And if I told you so, I apologize. I told somebody else. It's like, so where's your stuff domiciled at? And he's like, what? Domiciled? I'm like, yeah. Where's your domicile?
Well, you gotta factor in about the
All the construction and stuff. Day three was extra special. My mom arrived.
the kitchen, the house, all the
We joined a workshop that sparked a lot of inspiration. Yeah, so I'm Brad. I created a film about meeting my birth mom for the first time. It'll be showing tomorrow afternoon in a short documentaries block. And I am also an exit sign. I am bold, bright, and stylish, and I'm just hanging out.
I am bananas.
And this chair leg, which is I am potentially scratched or dirty. Unclear which one.
I'm see-through. I'm fragile, yet also protective and supportive.
I thought I was made of glass, but as it turns out, once I approached, I really shouldn't be touching this.
I don't think you should, but
I am puddle scoop.
Is that what that says?
Yes. I am. Should be touching it. I am puddle scoop. I am enigmatic, even to myself, and I'm still determining my purpose. Amazing. Put it down. Yeah.
And of course, we caught more films.
Are you the mom?
I am.
How are you? My name's Kyle. It is good to meet you. Welcome to Phoenixville.
Thank you all for your patience. We had a big block before this, and we have a big block now. We have more people coming in, so this is going to be a fun event. We have an awesome block of short films coming up. So, and then after the block, stick around. We got a Q&A. We got some filmmakers here. We're going to come up and we're going to do an awesome Q&A. And then afterwards, if you're around, come hang out with us. We got the rec room right across the street. We've rented out the entire second floor. We got some food over there for you guys. There's a cash bar. Come join us. Come hang out.
The night ended with more good vibes, music, and conversation. Day 4 was our big day. our film screening, seeing friends and family gather, and sharing the space with both my birth mom and my adoptive parents was beyond words.
I was just like, oh, it's just real good.
But I don't know.
Actually, it's okay. I'm okay. Got the whole family here.
Awesome.
My birth mom, my adoptive mom.
Oh, no way. Oh, my God.
Go get some pictures. Go get some.
After the surreal experience of seeing our film on the big screen was the Q&A.
I'm just curious if you could each speak briefly about what the experience of making a documentary is, and what maybe some of the most, what some of the biggest challenges were that you faced, other than seeing yourselves on screen. I'm sure is an interesting experience, but tell me what it's like with the documentary experience.
To me, it it came natural for us because we didn't know exactly what we were filming or what it was gonna become. It was kind of like as soon as I made a connection with her, that once I found her, my wife picked up the camera and just started recording. And so that kind of led to what it was going to be. So it just kind of felt natural just because it's my story, our story. And yeah, I guess it wasn't too much to it. It just kind of was telling the story the best way we could.
Played out.
Mm-hmm.
Absolutely. And just to add a little bit to what he said, because I'm more of the intuitive creator in this project, so it just felt necessary to be able to capture just those moments, not just for us, but in hopes that maybe it can serve other people as well.
I have one more question, then we'll go to some audience questions. Bryan, I'm really curious. I'm a musician too, so I love looking up at the screen and seeing Logic blasted up there and some cool monitors. I'm just curious, what was the transition like for you going from music into storytelling in a more visual format, or do you have experience with that already?
Yeah, I kind of had a little experience with it before because I would make music videos for my music, and then I just wanted to get more into storytelling and stuff like that too. But I made all the music for the video, so it just kind of went hand in hand. It's just like making a music video, but a little bit more to it, I guess, a little more meaningful and more dialogue.
It's great. I can't get over how recent all of these events took place when you think about the timeline of these films. So we're just going to take a couple audience questions.
I was just wondering if you have any plans to possibly go visit your other family. You said you messaged your aunt, and I was wondering if you plan on establishing a relationship with them.
Yes, definitely have established a relationship with all of them, but haven't met them yet. But I guess that's part of the to be continued.
Cool. Well, thank you so much. Let's turn these together one more time.
I was an editor, only a musician for me. There's such a rhythm to it, and that was going to be my question, was if you would compose yourself. Really, the score and everything is just awesome.
Thank you. I love your documentary. Well, I love both of your documentaries.
Yeah. You guys both have such sweet stories. So, yeah. They were both I love it.
Later, we returned for the awards ceremony.
All right, the next film award. Best Short Documentary.
You gotta say the winner is.
Oh. I don't know. Okay, well, you have to do a drum roll. And the winner,
Let's you guys do it.
audience. And the winner is...
Thank you to everybody for this together, and of course, thank you to my birth mom for being part of the story and letting me share this with the world. And thank you to my adoptive parents sitting all the way up there, because without everybody, it wouldn't have happened. And of course, thanks to my wife for making this happen. Like, if without you guys, it wouldn't have happened. And I'm just really surprised and honored to be here and to accept this. So thank you. What began as a personal journey, reconnecting with my birth mom and telling that story with my wife, has grown into something so much bigger. To share it with the world, connect with amazing filmmakers, and getting an award for it is truly surreal. And a huge thanks to the Phoenixville Film Festival. The care you put into the screenings, the workshops, and the community was inspiring. And to all the filmmakers and film lovers we met who made this experience unforgettable. Oh, and thanks to this guy for all the amazing photos.